new immigration cases are getting approved quicker than mine. You might have talked to your friend, you might have talked to someone else, like a classmate, I don't know, a colleague, just someone else in general, and you're like, you knew that they had a case going on. You asked them, hey, like, when did you get your green card? When did you become a citizen? And they're like, oh, it took like 3 months, no big deal. You're looking down, you're like, oh crap, mine's taken 2 times, 3 times as long. Don't give yourself a hard time, okay? Unfortunately, USCIS or State Department, both of those departments, okay, agencies, sub agencies for immigration, are not well structured to the extent that this process timing that one person had does not mean that someone else is going to have the exact same processing time. It just doesn't work that way. That's just not human nature, unfortunately. And unfortunately, even though we are the United States as a world superpower, we sure don't act like one with regard to US immigration, at least. For one thing, you would think that online filing should be possible for all cases, especially with the court. Like the court is just ridiculous. For cases that are older on the docket, we still have to paper file it, even though they now accept online filing for some the newer cases. So it's just really, really strange. That's all bureaucracy at the end of the day. It's all because of certain rules. If you have a case that's taking longer than your friends, that still could be normal, right? So you heard me talk about mandamus lawsuit very often, and how like if it reaches a certain amount of time, then yeah, maybe you want to consider filing a lawsuit. But not everyone's qualified because your timing might not meet that minimum timeline on our chart to do that. But if you're at the point where like you're applied for adjustment of status and it's 18 months at least, or you have applied for asylum many years ago and it's been at least 4 years, contact us. So the best way to do that on TikTok and Instagram, I believe, is going to a link right here. And we click that link and go to show profile picture. There's a link right below under the profile picture, and you can walk you through those steps. Okay. We do have a reservation fee. Okay. It's this amount. Our reservation fee is less than a cup of coffee from Starbucks.